Aside from that, the feeling of belongingness and of course togetherness with family, friends, and even all of your colleagues. So when you lift the box, guys, usually we do have just black or white plain like color. Nothing at all, no text, no message, nothing. But this one, when you open the box lid, it actually has a cute little comic strip of the Coca-Cola. And then aside from that also, it has the back of Coca-Cola right here at the box lid as well. And then in terms of the laminate finish of this box, it's also premium and also very good to the touch. But after that, when you do lift the box, there is a Coca-Cola bottle that actually opens to you. So when you lift this strip, it opens up a world of freebies. Not possibilities, but freebies.
May nakikita ako dito na gusto kong pag-usapan. Pero I'll give it to you.
Sige, I'll give it to you also. As I unbox it. So, when you do that, there's also another strip here that you will rip off with, of course, the message from realme, which of course is welcome to the realme family as you join us in our journey. So, when you do open that, there are numerous things. First off is of course your paperwork. We don't want to not have our warranty cards and our quick guides when we do access our new devices, right? But the limited edition stuff is actually a lot of things like DIY stickers that are branded by Realme and Coca-Cola. So boy, ikaw ba, what are you the type of person to do with stickers when you're given stickers?
Actually, I love to note that, let's say for example, on my Realme book. Kasi syempre, it's a perfect combination eh. It's also once in a lifetime collaboration.
Yeah, ako naman ako yung type ng collector na gusto ko it's as new as possible or as mint in condition as possible. So I keep them, I store them. But that's just a point of preference. Yeah. Anyway, aside from that, other freebies are, of course, your SIM ejector pin in the form of a cute Tansan or Coca-Cola bottle. Yep, and of course with the real branding symbolizing the partnership or collaboration between these two brands. Next is your limited number card. Now this proves authenticity and of course it shows you the build number because there are only a limited number of units produced globally and this is only available in 5 countries nationwide. So that's also the reason why a few hundred units lang ang available sa Philippines. Okay?
It's the third country to
That's the third. There are 2 more which I cannot announce. The first ones were India and Thailand and the Philippines is the third country. The other 2 are Southeast Asia.
Okay.
Alright.
You guys should watch out.
Exactly. Then aside from that, of course, why right as you lift the box, actually nawawala yung phone. It's because di mo ito kanina.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but there is a case and of course your 33-watt Superbook charger and your cable as well. So 33-watt Superbook basically means within 1 hour na charge mo na yung phone mo and you're good to go for at least 2 days of battery life. That's how good this smartphone is. Just the specs pa lang, wala pa yung Coca-Cola elements.
But now I know everyone's really excited.
Yeah.
And I know yung iba nakita nila yung item natin doon. The experience area. But of course, let's show it to them.
Okay, it's right here. So this is the Limited Pro 5G Coca-Cola Edition. If you guys want to get a hold of it yourselves, it's also there in the experience area, but let me tackle through things about this smartphone. No? So it has a red and black collision of colors, 70-30 kanyang ratio sa likod, and then aside from that, may camera lens enabled din siya that is present here around the camera lenses. This is not even on the original Realme 10 Pro 5G which we launched in Valentine's Day. Then, aside from that, also the crop Coca-Cola logo for added statement, and aside from that, personality-wise, we do have an embossed Coca-Cola logo dito sa ating lower right of the smartphone. So everything is
collaborative.
Yes,
Yeah.
collaborative.
I think that's really what I want to share. Kasi for others, it's really hard to find that right balance of collaboration. But you can see it really perfectly here at our cool guy, which is the Realme 10 Pro 5G Coca-Cola Edition.
Actually, people like Elon Musk and even MKBHD were, for those who are familiar with tech reviewers, right? These guys actually said and commented, that's a lot of code. Meaning this is the hardest ever collaboration in any smartphone with any non-smartphone brand. And also, as Jen mentioned kanina, it's the first of its kind globally. No other smartphone brand has collaborated with any soda or beverage brand. So this is your chance to get this later on Shopee. Okay, aside from just the external part, we have an exclusive wallpaper of Real Meow that's dressed up in Coca-Cola. We call him Cola Meow. Okay, Cola Meow. So for those who aren't aware who Real Meow is, Siya po yung official mascot ni Realme na nakatayo yung pelikula.
Okay, this is the actual
Yeah.
and also in our experience area.
And then, aside from that, may Coca-Cola logo din sa tiyan niya. But also, when you go into the UI, kita-kita rin yung mga retro elements, so literally Game Boys, joysticks, and even retro headphones for use sa mga icons ng apps niya. And that is just because legacy brands Coca-Cola, as we all grew up with this brand.
Yeah. And I also wanted to say is it's retro meets future.
Yes.
Kasi it also comes with future-proof specs. That's actually carried from our Nintendo 5G, right?
Exactly. So aside from that, we also have, of course, a lot of other specifications that we'll get to later, as I mentioned. But something to also consider here is the fact that even with these settings, meron din tayong other items dito sa ating Coca-Cola phone na available. So, one of the things here is meron tayong Coca-Cola ringtone for that added nostalgia right there.
So nostalgic.
Then aside from that also, you have your Coca-Cola bubble opening sounds, and then your bubble filling for notifications na nakakabuhaw kapag piniplay mo.
Actually, that makes me want to open this actually.
Okay,
Let's go in front.
may open tayo.
Tayo dyan.
Okay, and then sa camera shutter sound natin, medyo makulit na to na item, pero it's a nifty little treat that I like because it also gives you a sort of sentimental value to the smartphone. When you click on the shutter, it will give you a sound of opening Coca-Cola. So more memories with Coca-Cola and more memories with your friends on your smartphone. And like what I did mention, guys, this smartphone is not just about being collaborated on by Coca-Cola or with Coca-Cola. It also has powerful features. First, 94% almost screen to body ratio on this screen. So you don't get just bezels, you get full screen 6.7 inches, 120 Hz, 108 megapixel low light camera, so even at night shots, I'm not sure if the tri-link camera is the one having screens, but this is excellent in night photography. Then like I said earlier, less than 1 hour, you're charged already for a day or even two. Plus, also, even if malaking battery, guys, slim 8.33 millimeters and also lightweight, less than 200 grams, only 192 grams. 5G pa itong smartphone na to, dual nano SIM card is supported, and even expandability up to 1 terabyte with micro SD card. So all of those features, a powerful smartphone, plus a collaboration with a very, very good and iconic legacy brand that we have, that we all grew up with. This is the really Nintendo 5G Coca-Cola Edition.
Okay? It's also worth to mention, in line with the supercharging, it has this customizable super item as well.
When you charge the smartphone, it will show up here, fizzing bubbles or fizzing soda or Coca-Cola when you do that with the official charger. Then, sino dito yung mga batang 80s or 90s? Taas kamay. Okay.
You don't need to reveal the age here.
I will not reveal your age. I'm asking because there's a special set of filters here. So when you go to your photo or your camera UI, all you have to do is scroll twice. Street mode is available, and it's an exclusive of Coca-Cola, but there's an 80s soda filter for that nostalgic feeling photos that you can take with all of your family and friends. And for the 90s kids, 90s pop is also there. Other features and other filters are also available right here on this smartphone. So how much will it take?
Only retails for 18,999 pesos. And I think we forgot to mention that this is super unlimited.
Yes, ilan?
589.
Yes, 589 units only in the Philippines because there are less than 10,000 made globally. So only 589 out of the millions of Filipinos who are now adding to cart. I'd like you to try and get a chance to get your very own Realme 10 Pro 5G Coca-Cola Edition. Again, it's only 18,999. And isipin nyo na lang how good this would look not only in your pockets, in your bags, but also on your shelves as a memorabilia. If you're really an avid fan of Coke, or if you're a true Filipino who grew up with this nostalgic brand and supports the youth with Realme Philippines. Okay?
And once again, we do have 500 peso off, that's only for first 100 buyers, exclusively on Shopee, so make sure to ready your cards, guys. Just a few hours away from now, in order for you to get it in one cheaper price, now 500 peso exclusively on Shopee.
Yes, exactly. So that's been it, guys, for this little mini program and live unboxing. Thank you so much. This has been Boy and Jim. Thank you and good night.